Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Do you live in skirts and dresses like I do? Then I'm sure you're looking for a solution to chafing like I was. I've been wearing these Undersummers from Carrie Ray, and I found that they are so effective for keeping my legs feeling dry and not chafing at all, regardless of what the weather is like. So you're probably thinking you would only wear these in the summer, but actually it's winter right now where I live, and I have been wearing them every single time that I wear a dress or a skirt. For one thing, I found that I can wear them over my tights, and it actually helps to keep things looking smoother on the outside of my clothes, and also keeps me a little bit warmer, and it replaces me having to wear a slip, which I really appreciate. These are not shapewear, they're not meant to be tight, and you should definitely check out the size chart when you decide what size to get. Now, I'm 5'4", 140 pounds. I have a 29-inch waist and 42-inch hips, and so I went with the size medium. I appreciate that the waistband doesn't roll down, that's so obnoxious, and the legs stay really well in place as well. I didn't feel like they were creeping up on me even when I would wear them all day. I also like the design on these. The seams are actually in the front, and I like that so much because when you have a seam in the back, it often shows through when you're wearing clothing, especially tighter clothing, and I really like that I can't see the seams at all. I'm really pleased with these undershorts. They have been perfect for my needs. I think that you're going to like them as well, and that's my point of view.